G'day legends, welcome back. There we go. Nice size yabbie. You can see by here. G'day legends, welcome back. Just out here camping at the farm. We're just about to chuck the yabbie nets in, so come along with us and yeah, let's see what we can get. Rightio, the family loaded up. Heaps of sunscreen. I'll chuck it on the front. Let's go. G'day legends. Unfortunately the GoPro died, but it wasn't really that exciting. We just chucked a few yabbie nets in the dam, so exciting part will be tomorrow when we pull them. Hopefully there'll be a few in there, fingers crossed. But this is what we got going for dinner. Some homegrown lamb in the old cast iron pot. Just loaded the fire up, so hopefully get a few coals, and yeah, we'll chuck her on, and with a few veggies. Fingers crossed I don't burn it. What do you reckon, Bubba? Some burnt roast?
I can't even see her.
Hey Bubba!
Bubba.
Bubba! Bubba!
Where's Teddy?
Rightio, well, we'll switch you back on when we're got the roast on. Rightio, we'll get this roast on. Rightio, well, that's us for a few hours. The dogs are resting up. Hopefully a bit later tonight, we'll head out for a little bit of a hunt and get the dogs onto a couple of pigs. See you then. Rightio legends, well, while dinner's cooking, might just head out quickly for take the dogs for a walk. See if we can pick up a arvo pig. So we'll just kit these dogs up and we'll head out. Come here. Sky, come here. I didn't know if we were over. Come here. Just on the ride. It's me thinking I could save us. Just a mirage. I was burning up a highway. Rightio. Dogs are in, all loaded up. Our house dogs are in too. You ready to go, mate? Alright, let's go. Rightio, well, the old house dog was supposed to be retired because she's busted her front leg. Thought, you know what, we'll take her out for a quick little arvo hunt. But yeah, she's still got it. Good dog. Good girl. Just a sow, just a little sow, but you know, they all do damage, and once we get back on the farm, I'll show you a little bit of what they do. So there, the farmer doesn't quite like them. So do my part, I like it. Keeps the dogs fit. But yeah, beauty. All right, well, back to the roast. Hopefully it's not burn, eh? What do you reckon? Hopefully it's not no burnt lamb roast. Say hello. Hi. Hi. Rightio, well that was a little chaotic, but we're back here now at our camp. We've just pulled the roast off. I don't want to blow my own whistle, but that looks good. Good bloody morning, legends. Well, last night adventures were pretty fun. Roast turned out pretty good. Didn't burn it, which was a surprise, but just about to jump on the bike. Go check those yabby nets. What do you reckon? Gonna get a few? Alright, let's go. Just a little bit of context why we get these pigs. The farmers hate them. So all this stuff here where all the ground's torn up, this is pigs coming in and ripping it. They do it all through the orchard, and when they get crops in, they smash the crops. So yeah, the farmers don't like the pigs, hence we get rid of them for them. But I'll take you for a quick little ride and have a look at a bit of the damage. This is only a small section of it. Rightio, first couple. Give you the camera, man. Camera woman. We probably should have bought some yabbies to put in here. Yeah, nah, no good.
No. 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 You gotta get dinner.
Lucky we bought 10 nets. Yeah, maybe this might not be going up. Rightio, well, the first two, zip. So, oh well, at least it's a beautiful view. You right, mate? Well, I didn't bother taking you on that one, because as you could expect, nothing. So we'll go pull the rest of them. Rightio, well I thought we were going to be disappointed again, but there we go. Nice size yabby. You can see by the red on its claw there. So yeah, it's a good one. I don't think we're going to eat it with just one, so we might let him go back in the dam. What do you reckon? You want to pat it? No. Yeah, I didn't think so. Rightio, we'll go check the rest of them. Rightio, let's say goodbye to the Yabby. We're chucking back in the dam. Say bye. Bye. Rightio, we'll get this one back in the dam because it's not worth it. And yeah, it was just good fun to get the little one out and experience all that. So yeah, that's it. We're just going to pack up now, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm going to post a few more videos now I've got my car back. So yeah, hopefully beach fishing or yeah, be something on the cards. So yeah, if you want to stick around, wait for the next one. See you, mate.